With SimplePlan, customers get access to SEO services for free as part of the package. This can be a significant cost savings compared to purchasing SEO services separately. Additionally, SimplePlan offers a range of website development and management services, free website hosting for life, and a 30-day money-back guarantee. By using the SimplePlan, businesses can save time and money by having all their website and online needs met in one place, without the added cost of hiring separate providers for each service. Don't miss out on the opportunity to improve your online visibility and attract more customers. Sign up for SimplePlan and get this service free today. This is a limited time offer and may be removed from the plan without notice. Need more information? Book or contact us today to learn more about our SimplePlan and how we can help you with your SEO needs.